Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super quick and beautiful Valentine's card using elements from Polkadoodles. I'm going to use amazing design paper from Winnie Wonderland Paper Heaven 5 collection, and I'm going to create a square panel. What's really good about any designs on Polkadoodles, you can print them as big or as small as you want. So here I've got my design paper, and I also created slightly bigger panel with green card, and I think that will go really well with the design paper, especially when you look on the leaves on the design. So what do you think about that pink and green color for Valentine's Day? To add a little bit more interest, I'm going to use Distress Oxide ink in Kitsch, Flamingo and Lucky Clover. If you're interested in any of the products I use in today's video, I left the links in the description down below. As it is project for Polkadoodles, I had to choose some of the images, and later on I'm going to show you how to color it in. I absolutely love the designs on Polkadoodles because whenever you use any of the stamps, you can print them as small or as big as you want, so they will actually fit your project, which is absolutely amazing. Now it is time to put the panels together, and I've got some double-sided tape on that beautiful square, and using my pokey tool, I just peel it off. Super quick and simple. Have you created your Valentine's cards this year? If you have, please let me know what color combo did you use, because I think pink and green is not that very common for Valentine's Day, but if I'm mistaken, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to use that beautiful image from Barista Coffee and Cake collection, and I'm going to color it in with TriBlend markers. What's really good about them, they've got 3 colors inside: light, medium and dark. And whenever you use any alcohol markers, I encourage you to put a piece of scrap paper underneath. And that's exactly what I'm going to do now, because as you can see, it really bleeds through. Now I'm going to put those colors on the girl, and I'm going to decorate everything. I wonder, how often do you use alcohol markers for your card making projects? Maybe you have your favorite brand. If you do, let me know what it is. I really like TriBlend because you don't really need that many markers. You just need one, and you've got 3 different colors in it. Super cool, right? And as I said before, this is a project I created for Polkadoodles. If you go to the website, there are so many beautiful design papers and the stamps. It is actually overwhelming because they are just so cute, amazing, and you really want to play with them straight away. So when I look at the Polkadoodles website, I'm always overwhelmed. I want to use all the images straight away. The problem is the time. But I do encourage you to actually sign for the newsletter, because very often you get emails with amazing coupon codes. So please sign in with the newsletter. Now I'm going to add a few details with that alcohol markers. However, if you want, you can use any color medium to color in your images. So whenever you use those designs from Polkadoodles, you print them, and you can use either your scissors, or you can actually scan your images through ScanNCut or Cricut, and they will cut the images for you. So yes, you can use that technique as well if you want to save some time, especially with scissors. Now it is time to color in her face, and actually I'm going to use another TriBlend marker to add a few more details, especially on the cherry on the cake. And our image will be nearly ready. So what do you think about this girl? Do you think it's a good image for Valentine's card? I also wonder, how many Valentine's cards have you got during your life? Maybe you got many. Now to add a heart, I'm going to use Nestables hearts from Creative Craft Products, and as you can see, we've got 2 hearts with the same green color because I really want all my elements to match beautifully. Do you do the same on your projects? Please let me know. I really like to distress the edges. I think it gives all the projects that modern twist, and I really think it adds so much to it. And then if you add a little bit of color using your Distress Oxide inks and ink blending tool, that really makes a difference. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. And it's actually super quick and it really creates that very nice border. I know that some people use white ink. I've never tried it actually, but maybe for Valentine's project it would be nice. If you think white pigment ink would be better, please let me know in the comments down below. So this card, it is super simple to create. As you can see, all you have to do is to use one design paper and one image. However, when you get the Barista coffee and cake bundle, there are so many amazing images there that you can print. Also, super cute design papers, lots of sentiments, and what I really like about this bundle, you also get amazing labels for your sentiments and elements to embellish your card. But what's the best about this bundle, you also get some flowers, and I'm going to show you them later on. To add the heart, I put some double-sided tape first because I printed that design paper on 160 GSM, so I really wanted to make sure that it won't warp when I put the liquid glue. To add a little bit more interest to the project, I decided to use that cotton ribbon. I absolutely love using ribbons, and cotton ribbons are actually my favorite. I know I don't really use them that often in my videos, but I think they add that vintage vibe to the projects. If you agree, please let me know. And also, do you have your favorite ribbon do you like to use on your projects? And how do you use it? Do you use it like I'm doing here on the edges of your elements? Or do you thread your ribbons through some of the elements? Please let me know in the comments down below. I really wanted to make sure that the cotton ribbon is adhered properly, so I'm going to use red liner tape. And very big tip from me, you always have to burnish it first before peeling the backing off. And that will make sure that everything is adhered forever. And even if you add a few drops of liquid glue, that would make your project professionally finished. As you can see, it is super simple, and actually that ribbon will add a little bit of dimension. So sometimes very small elements not only give you more interest, but dimension as well. So yes, you can use that trick in your project as well. And this will be nearly done, but of course, you can always add more dimension. And you know how to do it. All you have to do is to get double-sided foam adhesive. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. It's always a good idea to add a few drops of liquid glue first, and then put double-sided foam adhesive and a few drops of liquid glue again. I wonder, have you seen my winter wedding card for Polkadoodles? If you haven't seen it, the link is at the top right corner. Now I've got 6 by 6 inches card base, and it's time to put all the elements together. At this point, you have to decide, do you want the card to open like a book, or do you want it to open it at the top? So now it is time to peel off the backing of the tape, put a few drops of liquid glue, and adhere the back panel on our card base. Super quick and easy. I think the whole card altogether took me about 35 minutes, and I have to tell you that I had so much fun creating this project. How often do you use hearts on your cards? Please let me know. Do you use them more often on cards, or maybe layouts for scrapbooking? Please let me know in the comments down below. It is time to add that girl, again with a little bit dimension, because why not? We really want this card to look beautiful, special and unique. So, when this is ready, all you have to do then is to decide what kind of sentiment would you like on your Valentine's card. So, as I said, in the set there are lots of them, and I will also link one more sentiment bundle, which is absolutely amazing. So please have a look at this, because it is so cool for so many occasions. Now I'm going to add a little bit of color, because I really want all the elements to match together. And using my ink blending tool, this is so quick and easy. And when this is ready, we need to add a little bit more dimension, which is double-sided foam adhesive, and the project will be nearly done all we have to do is to add a few more embellishments. And as I told you, in Barista Coffee and Cake bundle, you also have absolutely amazing flowers. And to be honest, they actually come with different colors. But for this project, I decided to stay with pink. So I've got some darker and lighter pinks here. And as you can see, they actually come with different sizes. So you can put them on your Google Docs, for example, or Google Slides, change the size, and you can print them as many times as you want. I'm going to use 1 drop of liquid glue just in the middle, and if you know me, you know what is the very last bit we have to add to the project. Of course, we have to add some gems, and I always try to make sure that the gems will match the whole project. So here are the gems, and I'm going to put them on the flowers. So the cut is complete. Please let me know what do you think about this. I really hope you will feel inspired to create your Valentine's projects this year. And stay tuned for more Valentine's cards, because yes, they are coming. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!